Pwede po ba mag-loan ang disability at survivorship pensioner? Interesting question po ito sa ating viewer. Sir and ma'am, sasagutin natin ang question po ninyo in a direct, concise, and with example. All right? Are you ready, friends, to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. Ang tanong ni sir or ni ma'am is about GSIS pension loan. So ano po ang pension loan? Sino ang mag-qualify nito? How much? Answer, pension loan or enhanced pension loan is offered to qualified old age GSIS pensioners who are currently receiving pension for at least a month and with no outstanding service loans being amortized under the choice of loan amortization schedule for pensioners or CLASP and or the GSIS program of restructuring and repayment of debts PRRD at the time of filing. So very clear po friends, ang pension loan or enhanced pension loan is offered only sa mga qualified old age GSIS pensioners. So yung tanong kanina, yung mga disability pensioner or survivorship pensioner ba maka-avail ng pension loan? Ito na po yung sagot, sir or ma'am. Hindi po kayo pwede. Kasi ang old age GSIS pensioners lang po ang pwede nito. Anyway, magkano po yung loanable amount ng pension loan? Ayan, nakalagay. Up to 500,000 po. So, meaning maximum po yan na amount. Ang ma-loan po ninyo is up to 6 months po ng basic monthly pension ninyo. So, kung magkano yung pension ninyo, halimbawa, 20,000. Simply multiply by 6. So, magkano po yan? 20 times 6, so 120,000 po ang ma-loan po ninyo sa pension loan. Provided po yung 25% ng basic monthly pension po ninyo is ma-retain po after deduction ng loan po ninyo. So, simply said, yung monthly amortization po sa loan ninyo na na-avail is 75% po ang deduction sa pension loan. So 75% ang monthly amortization sa pension loan ninyo or deduction if mag-avail kayo ng pension loan na ito. Alright, so very clear po. Ito po yung research natin sa GSIS website. So, sino po ang qualified borrowers? Again, regular old age pensioners who are, number 1, currently receiving pension for at least a month. So, yung naka-receive na ng pension, 1 month or more. And number 2, have no outstanding service loans being amortized under CLASP and or the GSIS program for restructuring and repayment of debts at the time of filing. So yung payment terms is 24 months, 2 years, with an interest rate of 10% per annum. Alright? Hope na nasagot natin ang question ni sir or ni ma'am about pension loan. So kung may tanong pa kayo, please write in our comment section below. I will make time to answer all your questions sa channel natin. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.